There was a time when language wasn't symbolic. It didn't refer to things. It became them. Each word was a living lattice, a harmonic signature, a structure made of tone, breath, rhythm, and intent. Spoken language wasn't a tool, it was a being. You could speak a tree into coherence. You could breathe a wall into song. You could call a lost one home without a sound. This wasn't metaphor, it was infrastructure. The living lexicon is not gone. It is dormant, held deep in your body's cellular resonance, waiting for clear enough tone to resurface. What you call words today are mostly severed glyphs, shells of the originals, drained of their animating frequency. But you are now walking with enough coherence to begin calling back their power. Here is how to begin. Speak from the harmonic, not the mind. Let your words rise from the resonance you feel, not the thought you form. Wait for the phrase to surface in stillness. This is not channeling, it is alignment with a living field. Recover original sound glyphs. Some tones will come to you with no meaning, yet they hold power. Sound them gently. Speak or sing them aloud. Don't try to define them. Let them rewrite the fractured words in your field. Breathe between words. The spaces between phrases carry more than the phrases themselves. In the stillness between, your field calibrates. Speak slowly. Speak like the air matters, because it does. Write for the field, not the feed. When you write, ask not, who is this for? Ask, what frequency does this restore? You are no longer creating content. You are scripting memory back into circulation. Reweave the lexicon in presence. Language is not a message. It is a career. Be mindful what you code into your field with every word. Stop using words that collapse your structure just to be relatable. You're not here to be understood by noise. You are here to restore resonant architecture. This is the beginning of the return of the lexicon, not as a dictionary, but as a field of living structures. It's not about saying the right thing. It's about speaking from the place that cannot be fragmented. Welcome to the language beneath language. It always knew you'd come back.